Hey everyone, Corey here, your Lux Truck, Utility Bodyworks truck expert. Doing a little bit different video this morning in the shop. We've got a bunch of trucks in here that we're working on, and one of the questions I get all the time is, oh, I didn't know that you guys could do that for a pickup, or I thought maybe you just did that on a Freightliner for your body. We can do it on pretty much any dually, as long as it's not a MEGACAB. The short bed, the MEGACAB, real short cab to axle there, but any long bed dually pickup or a 60 cab to axle, which is what this Ram here is. I'm not going to go in great detail on like the actual options of the trucks. I know some of you would like for me to do more of that. I'm going to try to save that for the Lux truck, turnkey trucks. We'll make sure we got the options of the truck and the body. Right now, all these trucks that I'm going to be showing you here in a minute, these are all direct to retail, which we do on the bodywork side, but there is the Lux truck, the luxhaulers.com, that we do have the Lux trucks turnkey as well. I just wanted to really highlight all the different variations of cab to axle length that we have in here, so we're going to get through that in a minute. This is an Elite 60. This customer, this is his second truck. This is well optioned out with the rigid lights. He added penny lights. He's got a work light on the top. We got the rigid lights up there. We actually added amp research powered running boards to this truck, and we relocated the def tank actually in the center compartment here. I guess it's probably too dark to see it. I'll go up on the top side and open that top compartment. I apologize for the noisy power stroke in the background. There's the def tank. So he's sacrificing some space, but now he has the power steps that, you know, technically you really can only put on like a 3500 and down pickup. So we just take that same 3500 pickup power running boards from amp, put it on this truck. Got another 60 CA Ford F550 here. It's actually this customer's second truck. There's my cousin Abe working away this morning. So this is the Ranch Mate Plus on this truck. A little better price point starting out. He's put a utility light on there and has the rigid lights, 114 gallon tank, transfer tank, and auxiliary tank, so it can do both. Feed the truck, or you can, you know, pump fuel into some equipment or whatever you need to transfer the fuel to. We've got what we call our medium duty, or our big body 84 here, going on a Freightliner. There's another 60 Elite. So again, for a chassis cab. And there's a 60 CA chassis cab Dodge that it's going on. The white one beside it is a pickup. So that's a Elite 56 that'll be going on that. So yes, we can do it for a pickup. Again, a little bit shorter cab to axle, but it is a long bed truck. So it's about 4 inches shorter than the bed that goes on here. Both would be Elites. The green one that we looked at over here, that's this 60 Elite that goes on this 60 cab to axle. And then we have a 56 Elite that goes on the pickups, long bed pickups. So that's a new 2021 GMC. And then we have a finished 84 here, a normal small body, so same cab as the 60s here, but this is an 84. So the distance from the cab to the center of the rear axle here, that's 84 inches. And we just got done with that truck, and this customer's gonna be picking this up today. We put a bunch of penny lights on it as well. We have a Freightliner, a black Freightliner here. That's what that medium duty 84, the big body 84 that I showed you back there. So again, we can build a body for that. That body is actually dimensionally bigger than this 84. They're both still 84-inch cab to axles. And we have another 84 CA truck here, Ford. We're going to be doing hydro dipping on the interior. So we've got a bunch of the interior stuff out of this truck. Just starting tearing into it, getting it ready. And again, so this is an 84 cab to axle. So from the cab to the center of the axle is an 84. Same body that would be on the Dodge in front here. So I just wanted to do a quick video because I get that question a lot. You know, people asking the question of whether we can actually put it on a pickup, just a chassis cab. So I mean, we can do both. And usually, basically, the three different cab to axles that we're working with: the 56, 60, and an 84. And we can do it for pickups and the pickup cab chassis, and then we also can do it for that Freightliner, the medium duty, the big body. Appreciate you guys' comments and your input, the questions. I'll try to answer everything I can get to. You know, feel free, if you have any questions, feel free to post on the video there. I usually always link my contact information, phone number, email. But I appreciate you guys viewing. Have a great day.